Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the cheapest console ever. With kind of a catch. But I'll see you guys on the other side of the intro. Right, so this has many names. I see it have a lot of names on Amazon. It's basically a retro gaming console. Now I'm saying console because I don't think any of the games are actually licensed to this manufacturer or group of manufacturers, but we are going to dig into it. It's fairly cheap, comes up to around $100, even less than in some cases. I believe this one I have came with an extra controller and it was about $8. So it was around $750, not $750, it's about 600 rupees. So it's about $8, I would say, in the current, what do you call that, rate. All right, so I'm gonna dig into this right now. I'm just gonna say I don't know if the company is doing this legally, illegally. I have no idea. I don't think they've got licenses for these games. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna make a comment on that. It is being sold on Amazon. I will put the link in the description as always. And like I said, there will be many manufacturers with the same looking product. So why am I tearing? Well, that's interesting. That's useless. So I'm gonna just tear right up over here on the side and just rip it. I just literally have this knife for like appearance's sake. I just tear into it with my bare hands. It's just the way you do it, you know? You just like whip right into it. Okay, so this, yes, I'm not gonna lie, this is more pleasing of a package than I expected. So this is the SUP. Yeah, it's the SUP gaming console. It's Chinese, it's 3-inch LED. It comes with a very familiar looking portable gaming device from a Japanese company. But, you know, maybe it's just perhaps by coincidence. You also get a controller, which also looks familiar, from a certain Japanese company that made this portable thing, but never in the same pack. So I guess that's new. And you can see a preview of games. I don't know if you guys can actually see them. They look like an Italian plumber wanting to hop around and stuff. There's also two dudes who are like Arnold Schwarzenegger and his brother jumping around trying to shoot stuff. There's a tank going around destroying things, and there is another game like that. I don't know, but we're gonna dig into it. The box doesn't have a seal. Hardly expected it to, but to be honest, this is much more neater package than I was expecting. So that is the lion's share of it. So I'm gonna leave that there. So you have a gaming console, which is very tiny, very plastic, very light. It comes with I would say it's a lithium ion. It's like a rechargeable battery. I remember this battery from the old Nokia phones. You know, I'm pretty sure this is the exact model, BL5C. I think this is a Nokia phone battery, but it works, and it's obviously going to be widely available, most probably. So it has a 5-volt DC, which is the USB thing. It has a TV port, and it has the on and off switch on the side. You have these buttons. They're fairly decent, a little more harsh than that Japanese company, competitor company product. So this is the controller. This is also has the SUP branding, and this one has tape. The only thing in this whole package that came with any sort of tape was this controller, so I'm surprised and very impressed. So again, this is obviously the Player 2 controller, so you can play with somebody. The marketing and the labels and all the descriptions suggest one person plays on this and the other person plays on this. Don't know if it's possible, but it does seem to be suggesting that. You have the USB port which I guess would go into this one right here. So let me just see if that goes in. It does. So that's where you plug in your controller in the 5-volt charging port. And you have a customer manual or user manual for Retro FC. That is the name of the console, guys. It's the Retro FC console. It's got some stuff written. It says it is a reset function. Make sure unit. Okay. So I'm gonna open this up and put the battery in. The battery chamber is very easy to access. You just flip that open, putting the battery in, hoping it doesn't explode. In my hands, next to my face. Not that the face is much to save. There's a blue light that instinctively turned on. I don't want to say instinctively, instantly turned on. This seems on. Oh! Chinese or English? It's loud. Okay, I'm gonna go with English. I don't know what to press here. R? A? Press select and start. Start. So we have Plumberman, Super Plumberman, Plumberman 14, Plumberman 3, Dr. Plumberman, Plumber Brothers, Turtles, and Arnold Schwarzenegger 1, Arnold Schwarzenegger 4, Arnold Schwarzenegger 7. Wow, there's a lot of games, and a lot of them seems to be from the Japanese competing company, guys. I don't know how this works. Obviously not called Plumberman. I'm just saying Plumberman. Okay, there's a web spider person game. Let me try how that looks. It's got a decent speaker. Is it weird that I'm impressed by this game? How do I jump? I forgot how bad I was at these games. Okay, so I could spend my time here, so I'm gonna hit reset. What does that do? Oh, it asks me to pick. Okay, so that restarts the controller, the game. Right, so I'm gonna switch this off. That is not a very convincing off. Okay, I'm gonna switch that off. I'm gonna plug in the TV. I'm gonna see how that works and if it works, because it's a kind of a thing that I'm not sure if it works, right? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in on that TV. That TV actually has a TV input. And I'm gonna see how that, if it shows up. So hold on just a second. Right, so I have that plugged in there onto the TV. It's on. So I'm gonna change the source to, I would say it's probably AV1, I don't know. We're gonna find out. It says no signal. We're gonna go to AV2 and see if that has signal. It does, okay? So let's, so it's got video, it's got audio. It is literally the cheapest console in the world if you don't mind the sketchy licensing, I will say. I am shocked. I'm seriously shocked. I'm gonna see, the cord is not very long, but still doable, still usable. So I'm gonna go to, don't see, you guys didn't see any of that, okay? This is Turtles. Is this, these are the, oh God. What are these things called? Frigadellis. What is, a sewer dwelling labeled turtles. Oh, yeah. Suck on that. Oh yeah, suck on that. Oh no, I can't suck. Oh God. It's fun. I'll say that. It is fun. I don't expect this to be very good or like stay on for too long, but I'm already impressed. It works with that. I'm gonna plug in the controller just to see if we can get the controller to work. I think this is player 2, hey. I guess you have to, I don't know how this works. Yes, I can totally understand everything that's written. Thank God I picked English. I picked English. Oh no, I picked Chinese, no. Okay, let's play Plumberman. 2-player game. I can't seem to select 2-player. Select. Oh, right. Forgot I had. Alright, world. Okay, I'm not sure. That's just 2 of them identical. Okay, I'm not sure how the second one works. I'll get to the bottom of that later. But I gotta say, for about $8, about 650 rupees, I got a controller, a console, 400 full versions of games, and TV compatibility, as long as you have the AV slot. I mean, that's not something that you can easily... I'm just gonna mute because that is very, very loud. I'm impressed. Bunjibi, I mean, it came in a decent enough package. It's got Chinese on a bunch of games, sure, but console, controller, 400 games, full versions, for $8. I would venture that makes it the cheapest gaming console, but obviously there's a catch. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is RD Techie, and I was looking forward to doing this one. I had a blast. I was worried it wouldn't work. It worked. I had a blast today. But I hope you're having a fantastic day as well. If you do go outside, please do wear a mask, stay home, and stay safe. And as always, wash your hands. This is RD Techie saying goodbye. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.